Bashiru Hayford. Now, Bashiru Hayford currently or serving as the head coach for Tiba Efreno, Heart of Lions. Obeka I said recently got cut off for no. He beat Asante Kotoko with ni team no. Na Chroma no Asemba ni penny abotre. Na obiti baby akeka yoma buma say Bashiru Hayford is reported say Kumasi Asante Kotoko edwuma no. This thing I can stick my neck out. It is not going to happen, and it is not happening. Baby, as I reports the free baby, I know a zero fact. There is no move, there is no attempt. No attempt has been made with regards to Kotoko. Esesa Openya Efreno, Abdul Karim Zito, and Abdul Karim Zito is going to coach Kumasi Asante Kotoko for this season, subjected to results. Ade bit mama na free ho amampanyifo ama na free ho no results in the season enya pre-season yemfa pre-season engage coach season ne sha ase the first 5 games no sa ankoya he will be sacked. That's what I'm told. Nemum no enya pre-season ya lose what was 3 and ya dey be sacked. So the report going around that former Asante Kotoko head coach Bashiru Hayford say ba abefa adwuma no people who are being considered are expatriates. They can say expatriate are foreign professional. And now, if they are going to get rid of the current coach, they are going for expatriate. Or no, oba untimi nkofa obi amehye ne kon. So na me cho untimi fa nkofa obi amehye ne kon. Enu nti and some section of the supporters who say nkai ni ma nke fa bruni preko. But that time ni so into that time in so how much more now akabe mi twamania na eno so time na so say obepam no akofa obi aba. It is a time when say so asabe ye ketwa mo sasa ba mo kana fino matias time is money. Time is money. I told be I wish enka mo 30 hours in a day but 24 Pastor KK South Africa wo he God bless. Man yi twon abusuya twon ayifo yi twon adwumamfo twon hey enti bema de nkinya yanke time ne 30 hours. It's just imagine going to appoint a coach right now no emfa enti aye opanyina na osi ye pushi no eno akira mi ti asem bi na twema adwen si me bibi so ewi ase bibi a wo hia nipa wo on say Choboy krabi ya Choboy be successful this wonya nipa bebre enti momiye mo Abdul Karim Zito Choboy na edwuma no nye me ogidie say nyoma be 10 ne se ye ko hye ba bia ni go start for super cup na nyoma be 10 me was have them